Hello friends, so today we'll be discussing about most repeated questions that are asked in various examinations. So let us start. Rosenberg spindles are seen in pigmentary glaucoma. Macular edema is seen in diabetes mellitus. Chalcosis is caused by copper. Photoretinitis is caused by solar eclipse. Polyopia is seen in nuclear type of cataract. Wernicke's hemianopic pupil is due to lesion of optic tract. Function of superior oblique muscle in abducted eye is intorsion. Dash sensory layer of retina. Rods and cones are sensory layers of retina. Schaffer's sign is seen in retinal detachment. Squamous cell carcinoma of conjunctiva originates from limbus. Pupillaform cataract arises from. It usually arises from posterior cortex. Complicated cataract occurs at posterior cortical part of the lens. Jonular cataract is seen in hypoparathyroidism. Most common intraocular malignancy in an adult is melanoma of choroid. Pseudoteresm is seen in eye surgery, chemical injury of eye, and injury of eye. Cavernous respiration is seen in cavity. Man to be includes medullary carcinoma, neuromas, and pheochromocytomas. Weber's syndrome, diplopia, contralateral hemiplegia, and ophthalmoplegia. Mobius syndrome. Features are decreased chest movements, bilateral facial movements, and uni or bilateral abducent nerve involvement. Whole thickness of wall is involved with skin lesions in Crohn's disease. In Mobius caeruleus, foramen ovale remains patent remains patent. Most common site of ulcerative colitis is rectum. Treatment of choice for hepatorenal syndrome is liver transplant, and non-pitting edema is seen in mixed edema. Most common cause of upper GI bleed is peptic ulcer disease. Most common primary site of congenital TB is lungs, and most common renal condition in HIV patient is FSGN, focal segmental glomerulosclerosis. ECG finding associated with MI is increased amplitude of T waves. Best cardiac marker for cardiac events is HSCRP. Acute endocarditis with abscess is most commonly associated with Staphylococcus. Primary TB most commonly involves lungs. Early loss of bladder control is seen in conus medullaris, not cauda equina. Parkinsonism is associated with which metal? Manganese. CNS tumor, which is most commonly associated with HIV, is lymphoma. Burst ECG pattern is seen in absent seizures. Or rods is seen in which type of AML? It is seen in M3 type of AML. Lamivudine is given when ALT level is more than 2 times the ULN level. WPW syndrome is caused by right-sided extra fibers. Drugs used in both type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus is pramlintide. Sorry, there is typing mistake. It is pramlintide. Statin C is used for diagnosis for acute renal failure. Increased VMA found in pheochromocytoma. Marker for active HBV is HBe antigen. Signs and symptoms of chronic renal failure are seen when the renal function deteriorates by more than 60%. Most common form of diabetic neuropathy is distal symmetry, sensory and motor neuropathy. A 20-year-old girl, pain in abdomen, purpuric rash all over the body. What is your likely diagnosis? Enos-Schonlein purpura. Young age, presented with pain in abdomen and purpuric rash all over the body. Enos-Schonlein purpura. Contractile dysfunction is seen in which cardiomyopathy? Dilated cardiomyopathy, not restrictive cardiomyopathy. Best marker for deficiency of anemia is serum ferritin. Killing test is done for vitamin B12 deficiency. Burkitt's lymphoma is due to which virus? Epstein-Barr virus. Angioblastoma associated with VHL most commonly present in cerebrum. Guillain-Barré syndrome is most commonly associated with Campylobacter jejuni. True about anemia of chronic disease is normal or increased ferritin. Most common cause of death in primary amyloidosis is cardiac failure. Best drug for angina with hypertension is ACE inhibitors. Diabetes mellitus is diagnosed if the fasting blood glucose level is more than 126 milligram per deciliter. Cystic fibrosis affects following systems: respiratory system, hepatobiliary system, genitourinary system. But cystic fibrosis does not affect the endocrine system. Guerin-Rovsey syndrome is thalamic pain syndrome. Cranial nerve most commonly involved in cranial aneurysm is third nerve. Hemiplegia is most commonly due to occlusion of middle cerebral artery. Most common site of hypertensive intracranial bleed is putamen. Broca's aphasia is due to lesion in inferior frontal gyrus. Wernicke's aphasia is due to lesion in superior temporal gyrus. We also have to know the area of both Wernicke's and Broca's. So Wernicke's area is 22 and Broca's is just double the Wernicke's area, that is 22 into 2, 44. So Wernicke's area is area number 22 and Broca's area is area number 44. Clinical features of conus medullaris are extensor plantar reflex and sacral anesthesia. Nisen's fundoplication is first line treatment for hiatus hernia. Concentration of sodium in milliequivalent per liter in normal saline is 154 milliequivalent per liter. Lipodermatosclerosis is most commonly seen in medial aspect of leg. Grayish discoloration of flank in acute pancreatitis is referred as Gray-Turner's sign, whereas grayish discoloration of central umbilicus or around the umbilicus in pancreatitis is referred as Cullen sign. Most common site of esophageal perforation is cervical region. Most common cause of intestinal obstruction is adhesions. Interstitial cystitis is also known as Hunner's cystitis. Antibiotic of choice for lymphedema is penicillin, and most common subtype of thyroid cancer is papillary carcinoma of thyroid, and most common site of metastasis for breast carcinoma is lumbar vertebra. Robertson's plexus of veins. Sign seen in large duct papilloma is nipple discharge. Alvarado score is done for appendicitis. Signs of appendicitis are Rosing sign, obturator sign, Schwarz sign. Most common organism causing appendicitis is bacteroids. Most common site of anorectal abscess is perianal. Gastroschisis is herniation from the right umbilical cord from obliteration of right umbilical vein. Osteoblastic metastasis is predominantly seen in prostatic carcinoma. Most common presentation of lobular carcinoma is breast mass. Malignant parotid gland tumors is painful. Cervical lymphadenopathy is present, and there is facial nerve involvement also in malignant parotid gland tumors. Least common site for spread of melanoma is renal. Most common tumor of hand is enchondroma. Primitive streak remnant give rise to sacrococcygeal teratoma. Sentinel lymph node biopsy was first done in carcinoma of penis. Absolute indication of cesarean section is CPD. CPD is cephalopelvic disproportion. Presentation when engaging diameter is mentovertical. Then there is bro presentation. WHO modified the partogram starting at cervical dilatation of 4 centimeters. Epithelium lining of lingual surface of epiglottis is stratified squamous epithelium. Ureter in ureteric tunnels is inferior to uterine artery. Urinary bladder is supplied by which branches of lumbar plexus? L1 and L2. Pericytes are, they are pluripotent cells lining the capillaries. The inferior angle of scapula is at what level? Inferior angle of scapula is at T7 vertebral level. Corpus luteum secretes dash hormones. It secretes progesterone. Plasma membrane of cell is bounded to cytoskeleton by ankyrin. Daily requirement of potassium is 2 to 3 gram per day. Coronary blood flow is maximum during isovolumetric relaxation. Folic acid is absorbed in proximal jejunum via dash transport. It is absorbed by both active and passive transport. Receptor potential is a graded change. In person acclimatized for high altitude, oxygen saturation is maintained because of more oxygen delivery to tissues. Gastric juice secretion is 20% in cephalic phase. Endometrium regeneration starts on dash day of menstrual cycle. It usually starts on 5th day of menstrual cycle. Progesterone peaks on dash day of menstrual cycle, 21st day of menstrual cycle. Umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood away from the placenta. ADH is secreted by supraoptic nucleus of hypothalamus. Oxytocin causes milk ejection, therefore known as milk ejecting hormone, induction of labor, and attaches to V1 receptors. Supraadrenal chromaffin cells secretes catecholamines. Hormone sensitive lipase is inhibited by insulin. Dash vitamin is essential for metabolism of sulfur containing amino acid. Folic acid is essential for metabolism of sulfur containing amino acids. Lactose produced by glycolysis is used by Cori cycle and TCA cycle. Arachidonic acid is synthesized from linolenic acid, and product of purine metabolism is uric acid. Cryptosporidium cyst identified by which stain in stool sample. Acid fast staining is used for identification of Cryptosporidium cysts. Anti-rabies vaccine is prepared by fixed virus. Blood agar is an example of which media? It is an example of enriched media. Northern blotting is used for separation of RNA. Pseudomembranous colitis is caused by Clostridium difficile. Conditions required for autoclaving are 120 degrees Celsius temperature for 15 minutes. HIV virus primarily replicates in CD4 T helper cells. Mode of inheritance of G6PD is X-linked recessive, and inheritance pattern of Haemophilus is X-linked recessive. DNA replication occurs in which phase of cell cycle? S phase. Mosaic appearance is seen in Dash disease, Paget's disease. In Paget's disease, there is mosaic appearance. Amyloid is stained by Congo red dye. If blood is allowed to stand for 1 day, which factor decreases? Factor 8 will decrease. Xenograft meaning transplantation of organs from one species to another. An enzyme that recognizes a specific sequence and cuts within the DNA molecule is restriction endonucleases. And which ligate? It is the ligase. Biopsy of opposite breast is done in Dash histological subtype of breast cancer, lobular carcinoma of breast. Drug of choice for absence seizure is now valproic acid. Beta blockers with beta 2 receptor agonism is celiprolol. Which antipsychotic has partial agonist action of both D2 and 5-HT1A? Aripiprazole. Side effect of prostaglandin is vomiting, fever, diarrhea. Long post antibiotic effect is seen in quinolones or fluoroquinolones. Opioid, which is an antitussive action, is codeine. It also has antitussive actions. Barbiturate is highly albumin bound. True or false? It is true. Loop diuretics acts on thick ascending limb. Sibutramine belongs to Dash group of drug. Sibutramine is an anti-obesity drug. Allopurinol inhibits which enzyme? Allopurinol inhibits xanthine oxidase enzyme. Dash drug is ADP receptor inhibitor. Clopidogrel is ADP receptor inhibitor. Dose of mebendazole for the treatment of ascariasis is 100 mg BD for 3 days. Acute arsenic poisoning is confused with acute gastroenteritis. Drug of choice for benzodiazepine poisoning is flumazenil. Most effective management of acute lead toxicity is chelation therapy. Toxic effect of methanol poisoning are primarily due to formic acid. Softening is recommended when hardness of water is more than 150 mg per liter. Work of Anganwadi worker is immunization of children and non-formal preschool education of the children. Work of female multipurpose health worker are malaria surveillance, distribution of condoms, immunization, not dot activities. Dots activities are not there. Dash includes mortality rate in it, NRR. Number of live births per 100 women in reproductive age group is GFR. Gross fertility rate. Dash number of beds are there in PSC for indoor patient is 6 number of beds. A multi-health center covers a population of 80,000 to 1,20,000. Orthotolidine test can detect free and combined chlorine. Nalgonda technique for defluoridation is in Dash sequence. First we treat with alum, then with lime. Alum plus lime. Prize has 4 colors. Socially acquired learned behavior is culture. World Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st of May. Sentinel surveillance is for routine supplementary notification. Incidence is more than prevalence, used for chronic conditions, measures old and new cases, and affected by duration. Continuous common source epidemic, duration more than one incubation period. In a case control study, we cannot calculate the attributable risk. RCH phase 2 includes immunization of pregnant women, treatment of sexually transmitted disease, early registration of pregnancy up to 12 to 16 weeks. Yellow fever vaccination is valid for 10 years only. Japanese encephalitis is transmitted by Culex mosquito. Fecal contamination of drinking water is evaluated by E. coli, but recent fecal contamination is evaluated by Streptococcus. Incubation period of cholera is 7 days. Time between infection and maximum infectivity is known as generation time. Stratified sampling is ideal for heterogeneous data. Pearl index is defined as accidental pregnancies per 100 woman years of exposure. When we say that the difference is significant, it means that it is unlikely by chance and when P is less than 0.05. Maximum audible tolerance is 90 decibel for 8 hours. Blue sclera is characteristic of osteogenesis imperfecta. Ergil-Robertson pupil is seen in neurosyphilis. Kasher-Fleischer ink is characteristic of Wilson's disease. Double apical impulse is seen in HOCM. Which enzyme is deficient in Parkinsonism? Tyrosine hydroxylase is deficient. Significant weight loss is defined as 5% in 1 to 2 months. Best confirmatory serological test for syphilis as FTA-ABS. Libman sac endocarditis is seen in SLE. Flapping tremors occur in all. Uremic encephalopathy, hepatic encephalopathy, and CO2 poisoning. Most effective treatment in diabetic ketoacidosis is IV fluids. Most common primary site for congenital tuberculosis is lungs. Mid-diastolic murmur with pre-systolic accentuation is seen in mitral stenosis. In scrub typhus, all are true. Maculopapular rash, fever is there, lymphadenopathy also present. Subacute combined degeneration of spinal cord is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Subacute combined degeneration is caused by vitamin B12 deficiency. Adrenal insufficiency causes all. It causes low blood pressure, correct, increased protein breakdown, and decrease in ECF. Human lysis syndrome causes all. Hyperuricemia, hypermagnesemia, hyperkalemia. Dawn phenomenon is morning hyperglycemia due to insufficient insulin. Fulminant hepatitis E is seen in pregnant women. ACTH is produced by which carcinoma? Small cell carcinoma of lung. Which is not seen in ARDS, hypercapnia. Polycythemia is seen in core pulmonale. Low erythropoietin level is seen in renal failure. CRF is associated with metabolic acidosis. Which of the following test is most sensitive for detecting early diabetic nephropathy? Microalbuminuria. Most common cause of lower GI bleed in India. Most common cause of lower GI bleed in India is typhoid enteritis. Paradoxical aciduria is seen in pyloric obstruction. Trendelenburg's operation is done for varicose vein. What is the best way to control the external hemorrhage? Artery forceps. Ideally, which gas is used for laparoscopy? CO2. Which is the best fluid in case of burn in first 24 hours? Ringal lactate. Buerger's disease involves artery, vein, and nerve. In 3 glass test, threads are present in first glass only. The most probable diagnosis should be urethritis. Whittaker test is done for hydronephrosis. Ochsner-Sharon regimen is used for appendicular lung. Most common cause of cellulitis is Streptococcus. In current scenario, which is the most common cause of septicemia? Gram-negative bacteria are the most common cause of septicemia in current scenarios. Treatment of choice for squamous cell carcinoma of anus is chemoradiation. Commonest site for volvulus is sigmoid colon. Most common site of carcinoma of prostate is peripheral. Most common tumor which metastasizes to brain is lung. Should the orange appearance of the breast is due to obstruction of dermal lymphatics? There is a case, a 70-year-old man presents with chest pain on evaluation. He was diagnosed from coronary disease and on doing ultrasound, gallstone was detected. What should be the most appropriate management of gallstone in this case? So we should wait and watch. Haller's operation is done for eclampsia cardia. Myoglobinuria is seen in this type of burns, electric burns. Common site for extradural hematoma is temporoparietal. Drug of choice for estrogen receptor positive breast cancer is tamoxifen. Sentinel lymph node biopsy is not done in carcinoma of colon. When does the cardiac output returns to pre-pregnancy state? After 4 weeks of delivery. Female with 37 weeks of pregnancy comes with grade 3 placenta previa, bleeding per vagina with uterine contraction. Most appropriate management will be emergency LSCS. Which is the commonest indication of classical cesarean section? Then sedation in the lower uterine segment. A gravida 2 with one normal live birth has presented with transverse lie at 37 weeks. What would be the next step of management? External cephalic version. Which is true about normal partography. Rate of dilatation in latent stage is 1 centimeter per hour. What is the purpose of partogram? It is to monitor the progress of labor. The cardinal movements during the normal labor occur in following order. Engagement, internal rotation, delivery of head, restitution, external rotation. Which of the following is a sure sign of labor? Bag of waters. LH surge occurs how many hours before ovulation? More than 24 hours. Cervix effacement suggestive of onset of labor is 15 mm. Palmer signs seen in pregnancy is rhythmic contraction of uterus. Peak SCG levels are seen by what intrauterine age 8 to 10. That's it for today. Thank you guys.